Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Craig Bailey, realtor, powered by eXp Realty. And today I want to talk and walk with you through a powerful tool many veterans don't realize they have access to, and that is the VA construction and renovation loan. So the first question I always get, can you use the VA to build a new home from scratch? And the answer is yes. The VA does allow you to use your loan benefit to build a home from the ground up. It just needs to meet the VA's minimum property requirements, or MPRs, and it needs to be your primary residence. Again, when you use these loans from the VA, when you use these VA programs, you have to owner occupy your house, your property for 1 year. And then you would need a qualifying reason to buy or purchase a new primary residence. But again, that can be done, and that's explained in another video. But sticking with the construction and renovation loan, here's the catch. Not all lenders offer these types of loans, which is the biggest hurdle for most buyers. So you have to do some vetting, and you have to know who's who when you want to approach this loan. So by definition, what is a VA construction loan? So a VA construction loan is a special type of loan that you can bundle together the cost of the land and the construction that it takes to build that home. So there are two different things, two different closing options. So there's a one-time closing option, and then there's a two-time closing option. So most people, what they do is they prefer the one-time close. It's easier and it saves money. Funds are released in stages as the home is built, with inspections at every milestone, so you're never left out. So what are the pros and cons? On the plus side, there's no down payment again, right? There's lower interest rates compared to conventional construction loans, and there's long-term savings. On the flip side, it's harder to find these lenders who offer these loans. So there's more paperwork usually involved, and your builder has to meet VA specific requirements. Now, the VA renovation loan. So if full construction feels like too much for you, there is another route that you can take. It's called the VA renovation loan. These are great for updating kitchens, bathrooms, or flooring in an existing home. So you may find this easier to qualify for, and you can use it to buy a fixer-upper and make it livable using the same loan. So this VA renovation loan is another tool you can use for your investment strategies. So how to find a VA construction lender. So since not all banks offer this loan, you always just have to ask, do you do VA construction loans? You'll want a lender who understands the VA process and has experience working with VA approved builders. If you're not sure where to start, believe me, trust me, I can connect you with lenders and even help you pre-screen builders if you need so. So it's always good to have multiple options. So if you're building your dream home or transforming a fixer-upper, whichever one of those sounds like the right path for you, then we can for sure talk. It's 100% possible with the right guidance that you can pull through. So reach out and let's explore your VA loan options together.